All right. Hey guys, I'm Dustin.
And this is Sawyer.
Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Today we're doing something a little different. We live in Florida. I think almost everybody that watches us lives in Florida. There's one guy in Europe that I know about that follows us too. Thank you for that. He's in England. Good days. So anyway, we like to be prepared. We have hurricane season coming around the corner. You know, storms can cause problems where you lose power. And with everything going on in the world nowadays, I was thinking of ways that we could be, and we like to camp and stuff, ways that we could be energy independent of some way. We have generators, for the house during hurricane season, but I was researching solar generators. I didn't know much about them, and I still don't know a whole lot about them, but I did my research and I found out one that we could use. Yep. This is it right here. I got it right here.
What is it called again?
Boom.
Oh, yeah.
Look at that bad boy.
Bluetti. Right?
Yeah, it's a Bluetti, and it's a Bluetti EB70S.
It's the second version, right?
Yes, there's an EB70 that is not as good as this one. I paid $568 on the Bluetti site to get this thing. This thing works good. I did a lot of research. I looked at, we'll put some links for these guys. One's, I think it's like HOBOTECH or Professor Hobo. That's his name. But he's really smart. He's got a lot of good stuff on YouTube. We'll put the link down, hopefully down right here. And then Will Prowse. That guy, I think that guy might be the best ever. And you need to go to their websites. You can build your own solar generator. And basically, it's like a solar battery pack. There's no gas involved. You can plug this one up into the wall. You can plug it into your cigarette lighter to charge it up. Or what we really up for was solar, right? We live in Florida. We got lots of sun. So we also got a solar panel, and we're going to show you that as well. You've seen it, don't you? Now that one was, I got that on Amazon. It's a Newpowa.
That's what it's called.
It's supposed to be power, but Newpowa is the name of the company. It's a 100-watt solar panel, 12 volts, and it plugs right into the generator and charges it up. We got charged, didn't we? Even on a day where it was right before dark, we were still getting power from that solar generator.
And it was in the shade. It was
wasn't even really sunny. And then yesterday or the day before, we did some out in the full sun, and it was only like 10 in the morning. It was already drawing like 80 and 90 watts. So really good to recharge. And what I like about the solar power generator, basically a big battery bank, you can put it in your house. Power's out, you don't got to worry about dying from carbon monoxide, which happens every year. You can put it in your tent when you go camping. I can run the refrigerator off of this thing. I can run all of our cell phones. You can plug them up, charge them, the drones, your freezers. Like we got deep freezers. We keep our bait. We have bait in the deep freezer.
And other stuff.
Lamps, LEDs. I mean, it's just all kinds of stuff that you can use it for.
Systems.
Yeah, your internet, PlayStation, right? We can play PlayStation even when the power's out. And it's just awesome. And once you pay that initial purchase of it, you can recharge it for free. So I mean, it's a really good option, especially we've gone 7 days before here in Florida after a hurricane with no power at all. It's miserable. And a generator works great. A gas generator works good. But what about gas? Gas runs out. There's runs on the store. Right now, gas is unbelievable. We probably got 2 years. I'm not going to get into all that until gas gets back down again. So check it out. I'll put the links for the stuff. We played with it, didn't we? We played with the generator.
Around with it.
We're going to take it with us camping and stuff because we can power all of our stuff. And like I said, there's no bad smells. The gas generator, you can die from carbon monoxide. It happens every year to people.
Well, this doesn't do that. And it doesn't really make no noise. The fan may make a tiny bit of noise, but you can barely hear it.
Oh yeah, when you plug it into the wall. So when you charge this thing, you can plug it into your wall and charge it. And once it's charged, it'll hold that charge for 6 months. So keep it charged up, and then you only need the solar panel if you want when you're using it during the summer. But like I said, we live in Florida, so if it's nice out, I'll just go plug it up and let it stay charged off of that. And you can run all kinds of stuff. You can carry it around with you in the yard, use it as a portable bank for power, for, say you get the weed eater with the electric cord. You can run it straight to that.
That'd be a good idea.
Anything. There's a million applications. anyways, I couldn't find but 2 videos on the EB70S, and that's why we're doing this one. It's the best one, best bang for the buck, I think. I'm a cheapo. I don't like spending $570 on this, but it means having...
It's probably a good investment.
Yeah, for our family. We're definitely going to have power issues in Florida during storms and stuff. I always stay during all the hurricanes, so we're gonna need them anyways eventually. So.
And we get out of Dodge.
Yeah, y'all do, right?
We go up to the top of Florida out of the way.
Hey, well, anyways, check it out. Hope you enjoy it, and leave a comment below. Maybe you got a better one, or maybe you're just wondering about this one. I love it. I love it. If you got more money, you can even get the bigger ones that work even better. But for the price, I think this one is jam up. Or
you could get this one and get more solar panels. How many do you think one solar panel is?
Oh, my solar panel costs $83.50 for that 100 watt. You can run 2 of them, no problem to it.
And you could run as many as you wanted.
I think if you go over 4, it won't work. I think it's too much power.
Over.
You can get 2 and you'll be good.
At least 2 or 3.
They call that stuff kind of running in parallel and all that. I don't understand it all. But Will Prowse, he has a solar farm and everything. I'm going to put their links on here, and they're worth looking at. It's really good, especially if you're in a place that's got good light. All right? So that's all we got. Let's watch this thing. Let's get into it. You ready? Mm-hmm. Oh, I'm excited. Been waiting on this. My Bluetti. Let's see what's inside. Look at this bad boy here. I heard it's kind of loud when it charges. Alright, we got
the iPad charging, and now let's see if we can charge.
So it's at 11 right now, so plug that lamp in. Let's see what that's going to take.
Whoa, it's working.
That jumps to 19, so 8 watts.
Is that pretty bad?
Well, it's using 8 watts. So this is 700 and something. So whatever, it could run this lamp for, what is that? I don't know, 10, 12 hours. Now, you know, if we had an LED bulb, I think that might be an LED bulb. That's why it's only taking so long.
I think the bulb in this lamp is an LED.
Mm-hmm. So look, during hurricanes and stuff like that, we can have this in the house. Hey, we can have this in the house, have power, with no smell, and is rechargeable.
I turned the lamp off.
So, I think it's pretty awesome. This LED light, I've heard complaints that it goes off pretty quick.
See, it's 11 and then I turn it on. And it shoots up to 19, so.
All right.
That's pretty cool.
So that's with the iPad running, charging, and with, hey, turn the iPad on. Turn like a video on. I wonder if it draws more battery.
Okay, so we're on our channel. I mean, the best.
All right. It's on 11.
Let's play a video.
Yeah, let's see if it,
let's play.
I want to see if it pulls more power that way.
That's our video. Let's see. Is it pulling any extra? I don't see it pulling any extra right now.
All right. Well, that's charging up. We've got the solar panel. All right. So let's see what happens with this thing. Check it out. Do you need help? Yeah, probably. I don't know what I'm doing, but we're going to figure it out together. All right. So here's the panel. Let's open it up and see how she works. Hopefully these fit what came with the Bluetti. We'll find out. I know nothing about this stuff except for some videos. All right, there's the solar panel. Sorry, you want to see the solar panel? I just opened it up. There's a solar panel, so we're gonna.
Is there a thing we gotta take off?
There's the connectors right there, so we're gonna get this all figured out. Cause I want to see it charge on the. All right, this came with the Bluetti, and this Newport has the fitting, so this should work. Oh, it's late afternoon in Florida. Let's see if we can get some sun real quick. We don't have a whole lot of sun left. Let's see if we can get any to work here. I have no idea. I'm excited to find out. It's getting 55 watts right now, 68. That is awesome. Okay, so it's late afternoon here in Florida. It's 6 o'clock at night. And in the spring, it's getting between 49 and 60. That is awesome. So this panel is working. We're gonna do it again when it gets really nice. Hopefully tomorrow we'll check it out. I think we found something that tripped it. Ah, see, that bumped over. Alright, so let's see how much sun this will get. It's 5 in the afternoon. Let's see how much we can get. You want to plug it in? Let's see. Let's turn it on. It's right here. Plug that right into there. Okay, get out of the panel. Let's see how much it'll start drawing here. Starting to charge. How much is it getting? 61, 74. I don't know if you can see it on there or not, but all right. So it's drawing about 74 watts to recharge it right now, and it's 5 o'clock in the afternoon. So this panel. What do you think about that one? That panel with that, and this ain't even the best time of day for the sun. What do you think?
I like it.
All right.